Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to do a little unboxing for you, and I've already kind of taken a look at everything because I was so excited. I have never ordered from HoneyBee stamps before, and I don't know what I was waiting on or why I hadn't, but for whatever reason, I hopped on their site and I was just looking around, and yeah, that may be a new place I'm going to shop regularly. So anyway, this all came with this cute little postcard. You know, thank you for your support. We want to personally thank you for your patronage of our family business. I love that. Family business, how can you go wrong with that? And then on the back of it is this little sending you sunshine. And obviously if you've ordered from them before, you probably have gotten these. I just think that's so cool. You can color this with your alcohol markers or whatever and slap that on a card front now. So not only are you know, did you get this cute thank you from them, but now you can recycle it and you can do something with it yourself. And I think that's fabulous. That's such a great idea. So there's that. I ordered enough to get a free stamp, and you know, while supplies last. And it was this. It's the Unbelievable stamp set. It's a cute little set. It's got this darling little bee, and then you have "You are unbelievable," or "unbelievably," and you can put generous, sweet, or kind. It's got some little lines, you know, for the bee to be flying, and another little flower. And I like how his little antennae are flowers too. So very cute. So that was free. This, this was so cute. Okay, so this is an embellishment. This is the Happy-Go-Lucky Clay Clouds, and I love how they have them decorated. But check those out. They're tiny clouds, little clay clouds. How cute is that? And there's a bunch of them in there, so that's fun. And now you're going to see, oh, and I just want to say that I like how these are decorated in these cute little glassine bags. I think that's fun. You could reuse these for things, cut them up, put them on your cards, whatever. And so I went ahead and opened this already. Now there was a reason I shopped. Shouldn't have been, but I did. Most of you know we recently bought a RV, or not, well, is it called an RV? It's a trailer. It's a trailer. And so I was on their site, so I had to buy some things. So I'll talk about those things in a second that I just had to get on there for. And these other things just happened to fly into my cart. Who knew? But their paper pads are fabulous. I have had a couple of their paper pads before, whether it be through kits or whatnot, but they're beautiful. And this one is the Harvest Festival. I just love the colors. I was so drawn to the colors. This has 24 sheets. They're double-sided. So it's 2 of each design, and these are 6x6. So we'll just go through them quickly. Very pretty. I thought these were very outdoorsy. Love that color. And I like that there's 2 of each, so I don't have to like freak out, you know, like what am I gonna do? I love both sides. So that's so pretty. And I really do like how one is like a pattern with a lot more colors, and then you've got more of a subdued, and then you've got this one, that's pretty. And then you've got more subdued. Ooh, and then we do have a subdued one there. But then, I mean, that's really pretty. Then we have, oh, golly. These are gorgeous. I might just have these sitting on the side of my desk and use them for, you're going to see them a lot. You're going to see them a lot. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, a honeycomb pattern, love that. Like a peeled paint, that's pretty. Ooh, beautiful. That's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Then we have wood. Oh, I love this. Like a little sweater pattern. Oh, that's so cute. You got your black and white. That's awesome. So I love that one. And this one's actually called Great Outdoor. So wanted to get this one. So let's take a look at those. Definitely some browns. Makes sense. It's Great Outdoors. That's cute. I like that color combo. Love the arrows. And that's a really pretty color. Then we've got some lighter turquoise, some more wood grain. Come here. Do you want to see what's going on? Come here. We've got kitties who are causing issues. Do you want to come say hi? No? You got squirt with water, didn't you? All right, moving on. Oh my goodness. And then we start over. So this paper pad has, you know, all the, you know, one pattern up at the front here, and then you go to the next one, whereas this one was one right after the other. But I really like both of those. Now on to the whole reason why I just went ahead and bought things. I know this isn't anything new, but it's the camp trailer card honey cut, and it makes a little trailer. So I'm obviously going to have a video just using this one, but isn't that cool? You've got your whole travel trailer, and then you've got your pieces that go with it, even some little curtains, the door, window, an awning, the outside of the door. You've got your tire, more with your window. You've even got your, I guess that would be whatever it is on the side. I can't remember what that's called because I'm blanking and it's late at night. But then you've got, yeah, it's just cool. I'm very excited about that. And of course, if I'm going to get that, I had to get the Wild and Free stamp set along with the matching dies. I do like that HoneyBee has the dies that go around the sentiments. I just think that is absolutely so cool. So here are what they say. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Happy trails to you. You make me a happy camper. Home is where we park it. Life is better in flip-flops. The weaker the Wi-Fi, the stronger the connection. Wild and free. Life is more fun with you. And then we even have a little s'more. I'm wild about you. Life is better around the campfire. Let's get lost together. The little Wi-Fi symbol. You make life one big adventure. And there's flip-flops, a heart, and an arrow. And then, like I said, matching dies to go with it. I had to. This is why. So, but yeah, there you have it. There's the reason I had to shop. And I am always a sucker for, you know, a family business. So anyway, you'll see this one very soon. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to have everything that I bought linked down below in the description box. So if it's something that you're interested in, you can go check it out. I recommend checking out the HoneyBee website anyway. They have a lot of fun embellishments, and you know how I'm about embellishments. And then just lots of cute little stamps and tons of dies like this. So if you thought this was cool, I mean, they have so many honey cuts that make all kinds of things from, you know, coffee cups to a house. I think they had, oh golly, what else did they have in there? Anyway, it was a ton of stuff. So, like I said, I'll have them linked down below. And keep an eye out. So I will see you very soon in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.